A civil authority has issued child abduction emergency for the following counties or areas: Los Angeles, Orange, Riverside, San Bernardino, California, at 5:26 p.m. on August 19, 2026, effective until 7:26 p.m. An Amber Alert is being issued by the California Highway Patrol on behalf of the Los Angeles Police Department. On August 19, 2026, at 1:01 a.m., Salvatore was taken from Los Angeles, California. Salvatore is a 4-year-old black male, 3 feet tall, weighing 45 pounds, with black hair and brown eyes. Salvatore is believed to be wearing a white tank top, blue sweatpants, and blue checkered shoes. The suspect, Donald Page, is a 23-year-old black male, standing 5 feet 9 inches tall, weighing 155 pounds with black hair and brown eyes. Donald Page is believed to be wearing a white shirt and black pants. If seen, call 911.